Hawaiki Edwards lives with her mother and brother, and says their house gets around 20 minutes of direct sunlight per day. Their house is so cold they keep their fire burning 24 hours a day, and their washing doesn't dry because it doesn't see the sun. Martin Edwards says the Porirua State House, where his former partner and their 2 teenage children are living, is a health hazard and needs to go. He said he was not surprised by recent deaths linked to damp state houses, and feared for his family's health. Hawaiki Edwards, 18, says her mother has health problems and should never have been given their state house in Rangituhi Street, Porirua. Murawa, 20, and Hawaiki, 18, and their mother moved into the house in Rangituhi Street, Elston, which Edwards called the coldest, darkest house on the street, for 6 weeks, and already they want out. Edwards is worried for their health and for that of their mother, who suffers from a weak heart brought on by childhood rheumatism from growing up in a damp state house. Muro and Hawaii's 3-year-old half-brother has been moved out of the house until the family can move somewhere safe, warm and dry. It doesn't get the sun at all, Edwards said. It's backed right up against the hill, and the house sits on an old riverbank covered up. The water comes up waist-high when it rains, like it did 4 weeks ago. The family had moved Muro's bed into the lounge because his room was so cold, Edwards said. I don't even know if it's insulated. They say it is, but there is no natural warmth. The fire has to be burning 24/7, and that's pretty hard to do. Add feedback. Their washing would hang on the line for 3 sunny days and still be wet, so Edwards now took it to the laundromat to dry.